Once a year, the Chatsworth Nature Preserve opens up to the public and allows people to walk the grounds. Los Angeles City purchased the land in 1913 to build a reservoir in the San Fernando Valley. It was William Mulholland's 19th and last reservoir that connected to the LA Aqueduct. The reservoir was operational in 1919. It was the main water storage facility in the western part of the San Fernando Valley. In 1969, the reservoir was drained and put out of service in order to enlarge and upgrade the existing facility. After the 1971 Sylmar earthquake, the reservoir was declared seismically unsafe, and in 1972 it was determined to be too expensive to repair and upgrade. According to this LA Times article from 1931, some of the historic features of the park include the oldest and largest olive tree in California. There's also Indian burial grounds on site and a cave that's called the Indian Bridal Cave. There were also 8 lime kilns, among the first to be used in California, and in which the mission builders burned their lime in order to build the mission. In 1849, a Frenchman named Pierre Domecq married a Chumash Native American whose father was one of 3 Native Americans that had been granted 9,000 acres of land in the area. Pierre lived on the land and he operated a lime kiln. Pierre Domecq built 2 adobes, one that's located within the perimeter of the park and another one that's nearby near a current-day church. Here you can see the rock formation located on the hill. If you look closely, you can see the same rock that's located on the black and white photo. The nearby Orcutt Ranch, you can see 700-year-old oak trees with their limbs chopped off. The tree limbs were used to heat the kilns. The heat generated in the kilns were so intense that the limestone would turn into a green, glassy substance. In the 1990s, the community came together to help create the Chatsworth Nature Preserve. The use of the Nature Preserve is now limited to scientific studies and education. I sure hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.